Hello everyone, welcome to Megametallist channel. My name is David Dechasa. I am your host for today's tutorial. I will be creating a 3D model from surfaces using Autodesk Fusion 360. We'll be using tools such as patch, stitch, trim, and shell. With that in mind, let's dive right in. The first step will be to go ahead and create a sketch. For our case, we're going to go ahead and create a square, and I choose 4" by 4". And then I'll go ahead and trim the dashed line. After that, hit Finish Sketch. First create surface using patch, and we can find that under Surface tab. Select patch and select the sketch, and we get flat surface. Then after that, we're gonna go ahead and create another rectangle, square, randomly on the surface that we just created. We don't need to worry about the dimension. And finish sketch. Then after that, we extrude the sketch we just made along the edges of the sketch. So if we extrude, it will be from the edge of the square, the rectangle in this case. And press OK. 3" looks good. And use patch to cover the top surface. And now we'll go ahead and trim the extended bottom surface. So we use the top box as trim tool, and after that select the bottom surface, the extended part, then we can trim that way. After that, we stitch the box we made. At this point, it doesn't have thickness. And select the 3 surfaces we made and press OK. At this point, our goal will be to create a shell. So to do this, we need to go to Solid tab and Shell, and we add a thickness of we'll pick 0.2. And as you can see, the top surface is gone when we make a shell. And since we want to cover that, we use patch under surface tab. Select the edges to use patch. Then we have another surface on the top. And press OK. And we stitch it. I'm not sure if this is necessary or not, but I went ahead and did that. Usually like on SolidWorks and other CAD. I know on SolidWorks you need to stitch surfaces to make them into a solid body. And now go back to surface, add thickness. In this case I did minus 0.5, and as you can see there is a line. And it's because there are two different bodies. To make them one, we use combine, and it is under solid, and select the target body, select the top one, and tool the bottom, the other body, just like that. We get one single body, hollow box. And just like that we get a box. And next time we'll discuss more how to split a single body into different parts and create components out of that. Well, this is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, to give me a thumbs up, and to share. And until next time, have a good one.